Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you different shortcuts you can use on your keyboard to make it easier to do things. First thing I'm going to show you is how to switch between different tabs. You're going to click Alt and Tab at the same time. We'll do that. Allows you to move between different tabs that you have selected. Let's say you're in a game and you're trying to move to a new tab, and this tab, the game doesn't allow you to skip or exit. You're able to just do that. Alright, so make sure you keep that in mind. It comes in handy a lot. Next thing we're gonna do is gonna be the good old Alt F4. This one gets used to troll streamers a lot. But basically what it is, you'll have a page and whatnot. So let's say you have this page right here, right? And you want to close it quick. So you click Alt and F4 at the same time, closes it. Pretty cool. That's something that comes in handy a lot. I think is really useful, especially if you are trying to close a game as well, or try to close a program that does not close. It basically shuts it down automatically. It's pretty neat. The next thing is gonna be Window plus D. This one minimizes your tabs. We'll click Window and then D at the same time. So everything that was on the screen gets minimized. So as you can see that. So Window plus D. So I got minimized. That my cursor's over here. I'll put more tabs up over here. So watch. Bam. I think that's pretty cool. Now the next thing we're gonna do, it's gonna be our next little thing that we teach you. It'll be Control T with Chrome. If you have Chrome open, for example, which I'm gonna do right now for you. Let's say we opened it and whatnot. Let's say we open Chrome, right? And we're gonna use the thing we just learned, so it'll be that. It won't let us because of that. But anyways, if you have Chrome open and then you want a new window and whatnot, you click Control T. Bam, new tab. Control T, new tab. That comes in handy as well. I think that's what you want to have as well. So you're trying to use that, and you're trying to get good at getting a new tab rather than clicking and stuff like that. You can do that. Another cool tip about it, or another cool tip you can do with Chrome, you can, let's say you want to open Netflix, for example. Let's say I want to open, let's say YouTube. I want to open it. Click on the middle wheel of your mouse, and it opens a new one. So like, let's say I want that, I'll do that. I want a new one, I can do that over and over. So basically I can open by clicking the middle mouse wheel. Also pretty cool. Next we're gonna do, if you want to see your history on Chrome, let's say you want to delete your history, you're gonna say Control H. Control H allows you to bring back to your history. So there you are. Basically shows you your history on your browser. Next, we're gonna do incognito mode, which is also pretty cool. So it's Control. Let me show you my keyboard real quick so you guys can see it. Control, Shift, yep, and then it'll be N. Hold on, maybe I have to get rid of this. So I can Control Shift N. There you go. The keyboard was in the way, so it's either teach you or get rid of the keyboard in front of me, which is pretty cool as well. So Control Shift N for incognito. And that's also neat for downloads. If you want to do check out your downloads and you want to delete them, Control J. That shows you downloads. If you want to bookmark a page that, let's say you really like a stream, or you're online and you're watching a streamer and you want to save that page for later, the way to do that is going to be Control D. So you bookmark it. Like right now, that shows you bookmarks right there. I already have mine bookmarked. You just click done and it will have a bookmark for you. Next, if you want to select tabs to be open a new or different tab, you control click. So control and same idea, control click. Remember how we did the mouse thing with the middle mouse wheel? Same idea. That's the same thing you want to do. I don't recommend having a lot of tabs open. Chromecast or Chrome uses a lot of your RAM, so please avoid that. Don't do that. Let's see what the next thing I can show you. Control Shift and T. So control. Let me show you my keyboard. Control Shift and then the letter T opens a tab that was recently closed. So let's see. We close a YouTube tab and we just open it back again. Control Shift T. That's all you want to do. I think that's pretty cool as well. Control Alt Delete brings the task manager. Everybody knows that. So that one comes in handy if you're wondering why your PC is running slow, if there's stuff running in the background like updates, things like that. But usually, if you have updates on something, just let them run. Therefore, a good thing, if it's especially for their PC updates. Let's see what else. Oh, this is actually pretty neat. So let's say you're using your Microsoft Word for typing and stuff, right? And let's say you type hello, right? Let's say you type that. But then you made a mistake, so you're gonna click Control Z, Control Z. That deletes everything. The letters are Control and Z at the same time. Control Z, Control Z. So basically, if you do it again, it'll do it again like that. But if you wanna come back and undo everything, Control Y. That's pretty neat. That's basically you redoing like hi, Control C, Control Z, Control Y. There you go. And then you can do shift arrows. So shift arrows to select the text if you want to. So let's say with that, shift and arrows allows you to select like partial things. So if you click on left arrow or up arrow or anything like that, you go to on the right arrow, it allows you to select what you want. So let's say we don't want the how are you, bam. Let's say we really want it, and we undo it. Say we wanted it back, we do that. There you go. That's about it. Another thing that's really useful. Let's say I typed a whole bunch of stuff. For example, like let's just pretend that I did. I'm just gonna do numbers just to show you. Let's say that you are wondering that you're trying to paste a project on something, right? And you have this whole page, but then you're trying to like do this, right? Easiest way to go about it: Control A, see, Control A, Control C, Control V. So if you go Control A and you can delete, Control V, you can do that. But the idea is, if you're used to copying and pasting, you can do Control A, Control C, and then Control V. That's basically the everybody knows that. That's the idea behind that. That's about it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Hopefully that was helpful for some of you. If it wasn't, it's cool. I'm just trying to help those that are very bad at this, because some people are not very good at this, at shortcuts. Also over there. Oops. People are not very good at shortcuts. I think you get used to doing shortcuts and whatnot, you'll be so much better using your keyboard, and I think it's good for you. That's about it. If you guys liked the video, if you guys enjoyed it, if you guys want to see more of this thing, you guys can. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, bye bye.